Hello students, welcome in the class of English language. Hope you all are staying fit and fine at home. Today I will teach you about articles. Articles are a, an and the. Articles are determiners and they are used before noun. There are two types of articles. They are indefinite article and definite article. The is called indefinite article, whereas a and an are called definite article. There are 26 alphabets in English language, and out of these 26 alphabets, 5 of them are called vowels and rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowel. So, we use the article an before the vowel sound and we use the article a before the consonant sound. Now, we will clear it with the help of examples. For example, an ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Here you can see all the words are starting with the vowel and they are giving the vowel sound as well. So, we will write here an. But we have one more example of article an, that is an r. The word r is not starting with the vowel, but it gives the vowel sound r. So we will write here article an. Now for the consonant sound. A boy, a woman, a horse, a book. All these letters, all these words are starting with the consonants and they are giving us a consonant sound. But a European, a university, a 1 rupee note, all these words are starting with the vowels, but they are not giving us, they are not producing the vowel sound. So we will use here consonant because they are producing the consonant sound here. Article a and an both are used with the singular noun. Article a with the singular noun, a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. Now the article an. Article an is used with the abbreviations. For example, NMLA. Abbreviation means short form. For example, MLA. MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly. Here the word M, it gives the sound of vowel. So we will use here article an. Some more example of singular an with the singular noun. An elephant, an orange, an apple, an aeroplane. Now the article the. Article the is used with the singular as well as the plural nouns. For example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches. The article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. For example, that is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. In the first sentence, you can see the article a is used before the word stall. In the second sentence, we use the article the with the word of stall. Because first time the word stall, the noun is not familiar with us. But in the second time we are familiar. We knew that which stall we are talking about in the second time. So we will use here article the. The is also used with the superlative degree. For example, she is the tallest girl in the class. Here the word tallest, it's a superlative degree. So before the superlative degree, we use the article the. The is also used with the name of river, oceans, proper noun and country's name. But the name in which the word union, united, republic or kingdom come. For example, the United States of America, the Irish Republic. In both the name of the countries, you can see the word united and republic come. It means we will use here article the. But if we are writing America, we will not use the article the. So the next is mountain ranges. We will use the article the before the mountain ranges. For example, the Himalaya, because Himalaya is a mountain range. But if we are writing Mount Everest, we will not use the article the, because Mount Everest is a single mountain. So we will not use article the before it. Let's try to understand articles with the help of example. India is dash large country. Which article will come? A, an or the? The answer is article A. India is a large country. My uncle is dash MP. Students, you can see here is abbreviation. I told you what we will use here if abbreviation comes. We use the article an. So my uncle is an MP. Next, I saw dash ostrich. Which article will come? Article an will come, because the word ostrich starting with the vowel and gives the sound of vowel. So we will use here article an. Next, Allahabad is dash holy city. The answer is Allahabad is a holy city. Next, it is a pen. Next, dash pen is red in color. In the first sentence, I use the article a, but in the second time when we are repeating the same noun, then we use the article the. So we will write here the pen is red in color. Next, dash moon is round in shape. The article the will come, because the article the is used with the specific or unique things. I hope these examples will help you to understand more about the articles. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.